Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix your eFootball 2022 not compatible with device problem. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your Play Store and you can look for eFootball 22 and check whether it is or whether it's not compatible with your device. So look for eFootball and you can see that eFootball 2023 is not compatible with my device. So the first thing you can do is to update your Play Store. You can do that by clicking on the profile on top of your screen and you click on settings. Click on settings, and the next thing you can do is click on about, and then you can scroll down to Play Store version and you can update Play Store. Click on update Play Store. As you can see, mine is up to the current version. And the next thing you can do is to go ahead to your settings and check for the Android version of your phone. And you can do that by going ahead to settings and you can click on my phone on the top of your screen. And you can see that my Android version is 11. I am using Android version 11. So what I want to do is I want to go to my Chrome browser and I want to download directly from Chrome. So you go ahead to your browser and you search for eFootball 2022 APK, and I'm going to download it from Softonic and I will install it directly from there. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you, guys.